friends, this is Silva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe, like Infinity Gainer. We have all kind of design applications for education and business purpose. Okay, in comment me for the we reply you or any issues. Okay, or softwares related issues we can reply you. I am already downloaded this application, so just follow the procedure. Just keep it to paste in the C drive. Just run. Okay, install. After just file is open and merge it, then just follow the instructions. If any issues, queries, we have comment me in comment section. To the description, we support you. I am already downloaded the file. Just install now. It is install processing going on. Just click next. If any issues comes, comment section, comment me, we reply you, and contact to mail. Okay, or we have under we given the description this product you which you want applications, check and check. Okay, I am what we do, check all the for defaultly comes apps, and you want to background installation or not, check or uncheck. Okay, I am done check and install. If any doubts, queries, comment me in comment section. In description we given for all these things. Contact in message for in description all. Okay, we given. Wait several minutes based on your system speed. Okay. just close. After the file, just in description comment me, comment section will reply you. Just that file open before keep it to paste. You see, try just after close and open. Now it is working. Given description comment section comment me, just close and open it, everything accept. Okay, now it is working fine. If comes any error, contact me. Given all the kind of applications we given. Okay, catia, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, the applications. Yeah, thank you friends. Subscribe.